today's DIY Wednesday video, we are going to be changing the windshield wipers on the F10 5 Series. This is them right here. It is a set. This typically is a pretty simple DIY. Let me just show you real quickly on the E92 M3. Now, on the E92 M3, very simply, you just pull up on the windshield wipers and I can go ahead and just change them. Now, unlike the E92 M3, there is no room to let that one up, and frankly there's no room to let this one up, so you'd have very little room to work with to get these blades off. What you have to do is you have to put this car into service mode to where the wipers are all the way up so that you can access easily taking those wiper blades off. So I'm going to show you real quickly on the inside how to put this car in service mode so that you can get these wipers changed, the old ones off, and the new ones on. This is pretty much a simple task. All you really need to do is, number one, if the car is off, press the stop button, put it in auxiliary mode. You don't have to actually start the vehicle. Now what you're going to do is right after that, press it again and turn it back off. Press up, all the way up on this lever for 5 seconds. The windshield wipers are now positioned in what we would consider service mode. So now let's change the wiper blades. So really quickly, much like all of the parts that I have purchased for my BMWs, I got this from FCP Euro. This is what I'm going to be using today. Is basically Bosch. It shows you you've got the longer, which is the 26-inch, is for the driver's side, and then the shorter 18-inch is the one right here on the passenger side. As we can see here, we've got the longer side here, which is for driver's side, and then the passenger side. So fairly simple task. All I'm doing is I'm going to rotate the blade and pull. I'm going to take the new blade, notch down, going to rotate, notch down, slide that over, rotate up. Voila. And we're just going to do the same for the passenger side. We have replaced the windshield wiper blades. All we've got to do is hit the stop button again, auxiliary mode, press down on the windshield wiper stop, and now it has returned back to its resting position.